Well, this is a easy but excellent problem and very conceptual problem. And what is this? The force 400 N is applied on A. What is the mass of A? 10 kg, and mass of B is also 10 kg. Okay. Now we have to see that obviously we'll use a safe method over here, but we have to see that what are the accelerations. Okay, if this body, if this A is going in these directions with an acceleration of A, then what is the acceleration of this B? Okay, obviously B will also go in this direction A, but the B, because B is attached to A, and as well as B will also have an acceleration over there. All right. So if A is going in this directions a distance x, if A is going in this direction the distance x, this particular thread will also go in this directions a distance x, obviously, right? If A is going x, this thread, the horizontal thread, will go x. So this vertical thread will lose a length of x. So obviously this vertical length will lose a distance of x. So if A is going in this direction at a distance of x, B will go at this directions a distance of x. So we can say that if A is going in this direction at an acceleration of A, B will also go upward with an acceleration of A. So B will have two accelerations, A in this direction and A is in upward directions. Okay, so that is the problem for us, right? So we can write the free body diagrams of these two. Now we'll use the safe method. What is safe method? Again and again I'm saying safe is system, then axis, then frame, then E. Now you can solve this problem in inertial frame or non-inertial frame. Okay, so for as long as B is concerned. Okay, so let us take one by one agenda, right? So first we'll draw the free body diagram of this body. Okay, now please remember this pulley is a part of the system, right? So there is a tensional force T over here, there is a tension T over here, there is a mg over here, there is a n by whom? By the surface, right? Then reaction force, and obviously there is an n dash over here. What is n dash? The n dash is nothing but the reaction force of B on A. Alright, these are the forces. There is no friction, but this body is moving in this direction. So, and obviously, sorry, I forgot one thing, that F is there, right? So the free body diagram is this. Now this body is moving in this direction, so we'll take the forces only in this directions, not the vertical one. Okay, so because there is no friction, so let me draw. This is F, there is a tension T, this force is T, this force is F. Okay, then there is N dash. Okay, that's it. So these are the forces. So what you can write? F minus N dash plus T equal to how much? Equal to MA, right? So that is 10 A. 10 is the force. Okay, now let us find out what are the forces on the small m. Okay, let me get rid of this. Oops. Okay, let us find out what are the forces on this B. Okay, now B has two motions, right? What are the two motions? B has in this direction there is a acceleration of a, in this direction there is a, so we have to take the both the directions. Okay, so we have to take the forces in the both the directions. So what we'll do, we'll draw the free body diagram. There is a tension T over here, and there is a N dash over here, and there is a mg over here. Okay, mg means the gravitational force. This F will definitely not going to work on B because this F has no contact with B. So there are three forces, N dash, T upward, and mg is how much, 100, right, isn't it, because it's a 10 kg mass, right? So 10 into 10, 100, and this body is moving in both the directions, right? So what we can write, N dash for this direction, N dash equal to 10a, and T equal to, sorry, and this body is also moving, is going up with an acceleration a. So what we can write, T minus 100 equal to how much, is 10 a again. Let us replace this 2 over here. So what we are getting, F equal to how much, F equal to 400 Newton, minus N dash is minus 10a, plus T is how much, 10a plus 100, equal to how much, 10a. Okay, obviously this 2 will get cancel out. So what will get, 500 equal to 10a. So a equal to 50 meter per second square. Okay, so this body will move 50 meter per second square, and this body will move in this direction and this directions. So the net accelerations of this B will be in this direction. What is the value, root 2 into 50 meter per second square, if you are seeing from inertial frame.